U.S. Parents Involved in Education has developed a transformative initiative, the blueprint to establish state control of education, which outlines the gradual elimination of all federal education dollars. Last week, we addressed the first two steps, calculating federal spending in your state and conducting a cost of compliance study. Today, we unfold steps 3 and 4. Step 3. Identify and eliminate programs lacking effectiveness, necessity, or efficiency. Strategically replace them with state-centric alternatives, unbound by external scrutiny. Step 4. Redirect education revenue responsibilities back to the state. Instead of channeling state taxpayer funds to the federal government only to receive them with strings attached, the blueprint provides tax strategies to retain these funds within the state. For further insights from U.S. Parents Involved in Education, visit USPI.org or connect with us at USPI on Facebook and Twitter.